The first thing everyone does, they look at it and they go, oh, it's so bright. Welcome back, everyone. My name is Neil Peterson with LED Lighting Supply. Today I'm going to talk about a very exciting product for us, our newest UFO High Bay. It's called our LLS HB200A. The A stands for adjustable wattage. 200 watt goes down to 160 or 120, all via dip switches on the fixture. This is our newest, what I call our commercial high bay. Really why it's commercial is what we found is the commercial pressure really moving into wattage changing and also color changing, really to allow vendors to have lots of product in stock as we do. So you never have to wait for your product. Not only is it wattage changeable, it is also color changeable. So it supports 5K, which is your traditional commercial, warehouse, factory lighting, but it also supports 4K. So if you want a little different color. The other thing we've done that's very special with this product that really excites me is we've released it with a frosted lens that just reduces any additional glare. And you always have the problem when you mount a fixture up in a place. What's the first thing everyone does? They look at it and they go, oh, it's so bright. Well, that only happens for a couple of days, but the frosted lens really provides that added glare protection. It also can take a motion sensor. You basically just unscrew this plug, you snap in the motion sensor, and within minutes the units can be up and configured. It does come with a hook mount. There's also a pendant mount. As you see, it comes in black, and we do ship them in boxes too, but we also have a white version of it. Again, very exciting fixture. They all come with the dimming wires in case that is required. Many utilities that give rebates require that the fixtures be dimmable. They are DLC premium listed. Again, you're getting about 165 lumens per watt. So at the high end with 200 watt, you're getting around 33,000 lumens. At the low end, you're just getting over 19,000 lumens at 120 watt. But they're ideal for replacing 400 watt metal halides all day long. And if you've got 200 watt LEDs out there that are 5 to 10 years old, you can actually replace those with these at 120 watt and get another 40% of your energy saving. But great product. We stock thousands of them. Give one of your lighting specialists a call. They can recommend the right solution for you. It's a big facility. We can run a lighting plan to actually show you the amount of light that you can expect to get. But great solution. We're really excited about it. We look forward to hear from you. Stay in the light.